Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your device supports Face ID and that the operating system is updated. This reduces compatibility issues. Once done, enable Face ID in Settings, Face ID and Passcode, and register your face if not already enrolled. Make sure to allow apps to use Face ID in the same pane. Now, open the app you want to protect and go directly to its security or login settings. This gets you immediately into the process of linking that app to Face ID. Next, inside the app, choose the Face ID option under Login, Privacy, or Security. You may see labels like Unlock with Face ID or Biometric Login. When the system prompt appears, grant permission so the app can access the biometric framework. This is required by the OS for secure handshakes. Then perform a test login or lock-unlock cycle to confirm the handshake completes. If it fails, recheck permissions and repeat enrollment. Make sure the app is allowed to use Face ID every time you update it. Finally, enable safe fallbacks, a strong passcode, and where available, two-factor authentication so you aren't locked out if Face ID fails. If recognition becomes unreliable, re-enroll your face with varied lighting and angles. This improves matching. If problems persist, restart your device and update the app and OS, since fixes often arrive in patches. One key troubleshooting tip: if Face ID refuses to register or authenticate repeatedly, re-enroll and check that nothing obstructs the true depth camera. Clean the sensor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.